warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Azumi Putri Meza with student ID F102125160. I am an English education student from Tanjung Pura University. So today I want to present my experience using AI in my study journey. So, artificial intelligence or AI is a branch of computer science and technology that enables machines to simulate human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and decision making. It involves developing algorithms and systems capable of performing complex tasks like understanding language or identifying objects that typically require human interventions. The functions of AI is simulating human cognitive abilities, learning, reasoning, problem solving, and perception to automate tasks, analyze fast data, and make predictions. Role AI for students. AI helps students understand materials more quickly, find and summarize research, and complete assignment with the help of virtual tutors, making the learning process more efficient and productive. For me, AI is really helpful in my study journey. Why? Because when I'm not fully understands about what my lecturer said or what the assignment my lecturer give, I can ask AI what the meaning of that. Since my vocabulary is not really good, so I need more like simple explanations. With that, I will go to AI and ask them what this means, or can you explain me with more simple language. AI applications I frequently use. Actually, I use ChatGPT more often than other AI applications, but since I'll be discussing ChatGPT pros and cons in the next sessions, for this part, I've chosen Perplexity as the app I use the most frequently. Why I choose Perplexity? The reasons why I choose Perplexity as my favorite app is that it provides information from reliable source. Perplexity doesn't just cite sources from the Google articles, but also from reputable journals that are indexed in Cinta or Scopus. Perplexity give me the sources from the answer, so I can check if the answer is have a base or it's just something that AI created. Okay, the next is disadvantage of using Perplexity. The disadvantage of using Perplexity is that it uses stiff or formal language. This sometimes makes students like me struggle to understand what is conveying. As a result, I sometimes misunderstand it. Perplexity usually use the more academics language, so it's kind of hard for me to understand because my vocabulary is not really good. So I need to more simple explanations as it. Also, Perplexity have more sounds like robotics or AI sounds in the answer. So I need to change the words from the robotics language to more simple language so I can understand what the Perplexity say to me. Next is my impressions about ChatGPT. My experience using ChatGPT for speaking has been quite good. So far, using ChatGPT really helped me to improve my speaking skills. My speaking skill is not really that good, but it's better than before. So ChatGPT speaking feature really helps me to more confident to speaking in English. ChatGPT also provides interesting topics to discuss, which makes my speaking practice really enjoyable. When I had speaking practice, ChatGPT give me so much topic to talking about, like the galaxy, the flowers, Indonesians, or something like I have enjoyed like movies or music. Next is the advantages of using ChatGPT. The advantage of using ChatGPT is ChatGPT really have so much feature to use. Like the speaking feature, it really help us to improving our speaking skill. That features also give us like someone to talk, like a friend, so it's not only one-sided talking. ChatGPT responds very quickly and it's very easy to use. For example, when I want to check my answer on PressDoctor, ChatGPT can read my answer and determine whether I've done them correctly or not. It's really helped me because since I don't have anyone to ask, I can ask that to ChatGPT. I don't have someone close that know English, so I need to ask someone. So I go to ChatGPT and ask them, is it already correct or I need to change something in my answers that. And the most answers of ChatGPT is really correct, the correct answers. Next, we have disadvantage of using ChatGPT. The advantage the disadvantage of using ChatGPT is that there are times when it provides incorrect information. ChatGPT is not a reliable source, like journal or something. So sometimes ChatGPT give us the incorrect answers or incorrect information. This can be sometimes hinder the learning process. Another disadvantage is that ChatGPT sometimes repeat the same things over and over. Like when we're talking about one topic, he will talking about that like over and over. That's making the conversation feel monotonous. So I need to change the topics to another topics, and it gives so much effort because I need to find another topic that related with before's topic, the topic before's. Next is, would I continue using ChatGPT for speaking practice? I would say yes. Yes, I'll continue using ChatGPT for my speaking practice. I found using ChatGPT very easy and it has a lot of features. Also, my speaking skill is not really good, so I need to improving my skills. With ChatGPT, I think it will be work to improve my speaking skills. I also feel more connected to ChatGPT than other AI applications like Gemini AI or Perplexity, which made practicing with ChatGPT very enjoyable. So that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.